Afternoon, dear children. Army Public School Primary Wing Udhampur welcomes Class 1 to the online class of subject GK. Children, today we will do book page number 42, 43, 47, 48 and 49 of your GK book. Children, let's begin with page number 42. Here are some quizzing poems given. Now you have to look at these pictures from the poems that you have already learned and answer the novice questions about these poems. So first one is, what was the spider climbing? As you can see in the picture, it was taken from the poem Incy Wincy Spider. So if you remember, it was like Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Right? So what was the spider climbing? It was a water spout. Number 2 is, the picture has been taken from the poem Mary and Her Lamb. So, if you remember, where did the lamb follow Mary? The Mary's lamb followed her everywhere, wherever she goes. Question number 3 is, in the picture, you can see it has been taken from the poem Jack Benimble. So, the question is, what did Jack jump over? Jack was a very good and helping boy. He jumped over a candlestick. Fourth one is the picture taken from Jack and Jill, the famous poem we have read in our preschool. So the question is, who fell down and hurt his head in this poem? So if you remember, Jack fell down and hurt his head. Fifth one is, it is taken from the poem Miss Muffet. What scared Miss Muffet? The answer is, a spider scared Miss Muffet. Sixth one has been taken from the Hindi poem Ek Chidiya. In the poem Ek Chidiya, who sets the net to trap the sparrows? So, in the picture it is very clearly shown it was a tiger who sets the net to trap sparrows. Seventh one is, the picture has been taken from the famous English poem Little Jack Horner. The question is, what was Little Jack Horner eating? If you remember, Little Jack Horner sat in a corner to eat his Christmas pie. So the answer is a Christmas pie. Number 8th picture has been taken from the poem Hickory Dickory Dock, which you must have read in your preschool. So the question is, on what did the mouse run up and down? The answer is a clock. Hickory Dickory Dock, who ran up the clock? So the answer is a clock. So children, moving on to the next page, which is page number 44, which is page number 47. In this page, you have to do this word game. Here, Rian has hidden his younger sister Sarah's toy car somewhere. You have to find Sarah's car. It could be in the cupboard, it could be in the fridge, it could be under the sofa, maybe it is inside the flower pot. It may be under the bed, or is it under the chair? It could be under the drawer. So you have to find Sarah's car for her. As you can see in the picture, she is feeling a little sad. So go ahead and find out Sarah's toy car by solving this word game. So children, moving on the next page, we have page number 48. Here, some signs are given that shows some signals. You have to read those signs, and then after this we are having a quick quiz to solve. Let's learn about these signs. Number 1, picture is showing the sign of exit. It tells us where the doors are. Second picture is showing the sign of recycling. It is seen on things which are old but can be used to make new things. Third picture is showing the sign of a wheelchair. This sign shows that the place is safe for a person on a wheelchair to move about in. Then next picture shows the school nearby. This sign is seen when there is a school nearby. It is a warning for traffic to slow down. Next picture is showing the dustbin. This sign says that you should use dustbins to throw waste in to keep your surroundings clean. Next picture is showing a red cross on the blue background. This is no parking sign, which means that you are not allowed to park in any area. Next is stop. This is the stop sign. It asks drivers to stop their vehicles at that place. Children, now as you can see on page number 49, a quick quiz is given. You have to match the signs with what they say. For example, in the A part, this area is for parking. A part is showing the area for parking. So it could be the sign P. Then B is there is a hospital at this place. So the sign showing red cross with a bed is showing the hospital nearby. C is no horn please. So the sign in a red circle which is showing a cross on the horn is depicting that no horn please. This is the place to safely cross the road. So the sign shown with the yellow triangle where a man is trying to cross the road, or a man is shown across the two lines, is showing that the place is safe, the place to safely cross the road. E, the toilets are here. The sign showing a boy and a girl on the other half is showing the sign of toilet. You can get food here. The sign shown with a fork and a spoon is telling us that you can get the food here. So children, this was all about the signs. Now you have to do this quick quiz, and children, after this, follow these signs. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.